Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious radish braised chicken wings recipe. I hope you will like it. It was the first time I made this recipe, but I didn't expect it to be delicious. The white radish absorbed the sauce and served as an appetizer. The chicken wings were tender, salty, and with the rich and creamy gravy I could eat a big bowl of rice. Ingredients are chicken wings, radish, onion, dried chilies, ginger, and chopped garlic. Marinate chicken wings for 30 minutes. Cubes radish. Cut dried chilies into section. Chopped ginger. Diced onion. Stir-fry ingredients. Add chopped garlic. Add chicken wings. Add radish cubes. Add water simmer to absorb flavor. One teaspoon dark soy sauce to add color. One teaspoon sugar to taste. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Simmer until chicken is cooked and radish turned soften. Add cornstarch water to thicken the sauce. delicious braised radish and chicken wings is done. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like Easy Recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. Radishes are also a good source of natural nitrates, which may help improve your blood flow. Radish leaves might be good for gut health and reducing obesity, according to one study. The leaves also have more fiber than the roots, and fiber is good for preventing constipation. Eating chicken can help to build stronger muscles and promote healthier bones, decreasing the risk of injuries and diseases such as osteoporosis. Research suggests that 25–30 grams of protein per meal can help us feel more full. Cooked chicken is a source of essential nutrients, vitamins B6, B12, and niacin, and minerals magnesium, selenium, and zinc C-nib. Chicken is easy to include in a range of healthy meal choices and cuisines. There are plenty of ways to prepare and enjoy it, which makes it popular with the whole family. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.